Paul, thanks for the invitation to your stand at MACH
Pleasure, Mark.
2018.
No
Now,
problem.
you've got incredible stands,
Yeah.
but how's the week been for you so far?
It's been really good. We've had a fantastic response to the show, to the machines, to the stand. A lot of people are impressed with the stand and the size, the cleanliness, and yeah, it's been really, really good for us.
The machines that you're actually showing on the stand, why have you chosen these machines?
These are just machines that fit in our range. We've got the DCM 625X 5-axis machine there. Behind you is the D1250, which is a standard vertical 3-axis machine that we offer. Over the other side of the stand, we've got a GL 280M mill turn, and then in the corner we've got a C420 teach lathe, which these are all machines that fit in our range, and you know, we sell daily.
And the type of people actually coming on your stand, you know, are they from any typical sectors?
No, we've had visitors from every sector really, Mark. We've had people from oil and gas, motorsport, automotive, general subcontract, medical. You know, our machines fit into every sector, so these are the people we talk to.
And when you look at the stand, the machines that you got on the stand here, is there any typical machine that has actually attracted a bit more business?
We've had a lot of interest in the vertical, and also we've had a lot of interest in the mill turn lathe, because these are kind of bread and butter machines. They're machines that people use daily, so you know, the price are good, the build's good, the quality's good, the reliability of the machine is good, so people are coming to look at them.
And finally, those engineers that haven't found you at MACH, you've got a lovely showroom, and have you got stock?
Yeah, we've got a fantastic showroom in Rugby. Machines are available to be viewed under power. We can do demos for customers, and we've obviously increased our stock levels to support people following the MACH show.
Well, great news, good luck. Thanks, Paul.
Thanks, Mark. Good to see you.